Hey, welcome to Smart Paycard. My name is Veena Prashant. Today I'm going to show you how you can use SPC to create and offer different payment plans on your site for your products or services. Say that you sell your product for a one-time fee, but you want to give your users the option to pay the one-time fee upfront and get full access to your product, or you want to give them the option of paying in installments, which means they don't have to make the entire payment upfront. And how do you do this, right? Limited payment. And how can you limit the payments? Because, for example, say that you use Stripe as your payment processor, right? Which means Stripe does not by default allow limited payments. You can only do unlimited payments until cancellation using Stripe. So how do you do this where you can limit the total number of payments? So all of this you can do using SPC. SPC integrates with Stripe, Authorize.net, and PayPal. And you can use SPC to create and offer different payment plans for your products or services. Now, SPC is a plugin made for dApp. It's a shopping cart plugin made for dApp. dApp is a membership plugin for WordPress. So first thing is you have to create your product, your course, your membership, whatever you want to sell using SPC. First, you got to create it in dApp. So once you have created your product, your course, whatever you want to sell, once you have created it in dApp, then you can use SPC to create a payment button for it. And so this one is for your one-off product. Now, what you want to do is also offer a payment plan. Create another product in dApp, and this one is just a dummy product. And the reason you're creating this product is so that you can set up your payment plan. You're not going to set up your content under this product because you don't want to duplicate your content. Your content is already there as part of the main product. So all you have to do now is create a dummy product. Don't set up any content under this product. Just set up the billing agreement, which means, set up your payment plan options in the payment section of this product. So now what you have to do is use the product chaining feature that we have in dApp to say that when someone signs up for this payment plan product, give them access to this main product because you don't want to duplicate your content. So product chaining will allow you to give them access to your main product when they sign up, when they purchase through the payment plan, right? So they're signing up through the payment plan, but they're getting access to the main product. So they can access the content that's part of the main product. And the next thing is how do you create a payment button, right? How do you give them the payment plan option? There are two ways you can do it. You can create a payment button directly for this payment plan product. This is a dummy product, but you can create a payment button for this product in SPC and you can publish it directly on your sales page. That's what I do, right? When I want to offer a payment plan, I just create a payment button directly for my product that I have in dApp, and I add that to my sales page. So you can add it to your pricing table on your sales page. But if you want to offer this option, this is an option on the checkout page, then what you have to do is update your buy button of the main product where you're selling it for a one-time fee, right? So you can just update it and add this as another option, add this payment plan as an option. So that's what I'm going to show you, how you can connect this payment plan to your existing checkout page so that they can switch it on the checkout page. They can say, I want to sign up for the one-time fee, or they can switch it to the payment plan and say, I want to use the installment plan for payment. So you can do both. All right, so let me give you an example of this. This is 7-day sales funnel challenge that I offer from my membership site challenge site. I offer it for a one-time fee of $97. Now say that I want to offer a payment plan for this, which means they can purchase it for $97 or they can make 3 payments of say $40. How do I do this, right? Now, I also offer this with my VIP membership. It's free with VIP membership, but this one is, unlimited payments until cancellation. So that's what this one is, right? So if you want to create a membership offer where you want to include everything, you can do that using dApp, and you can sell that membership using SPC. But that's not what I want to show you now. What I want to show you is, say that you have a product that you sell for a one-time fee, but you want to offer a payment plan for it so they can pay using, pay in installments. Then how do you do this? Let me show you how to create a payment plan for this product without duplicating the content of this product. All right, so you can see this is the backend of dApp products page. And here, this is a challenge, 7-day profitable sales funnel challenge. And I offer it for $97, one-time fee. And I've set this up as an online course in the backend of dApp. All my content is part of this course. What I want to do now is offer a payment plan, but I don't want to duplicate all of the content, right? So I just want to create a pricing option where I can sell the same challenge for a one-time fee or 3 payments of $33 or $40. So for that, what I have done is I have created a different product in dApp. Using dApp's product builder, I have created a regular product. So to do this, what you have to do is click on create new. Let me show you this quickly. You can select a product or a membership. So because I want to offer a payment plan, I'm going to select membership. So here you can call it whatever you want, 7-day sales funnel I already have a product for this, but I'm just going to do this again just to show you. Save it. It's going to bring you to this product builder. And here under billing and access, you can set up your payment terms. You can see here subscription. And do you want to offer a trial? No. How much do you want to charge, right? So here I'm going to set this to, say, for example, $40. And total number of payments, I'm going to set this to fixed. And I'm going to change this to 3 payments. It's going to be 3 payments of $40. That's it. This is how you set this up in the back end. And this is all you need to do really here in the payment plan product, because you don't want to set up your content here, right? Because this one is just a dummy product that you have created just to be able to offer a payment plan. So I'm not going to set up anything under assign and protect content, because you're not going to offer any content as part of this product directly. Welcome email, it's up to you if you want to send a welcome email from your payment plan product, or you want to use the product chaining feature in DApp to give them access to the actual product that they're going to get, right? In this case, what I'll do is I'm going to use the chaining feature to say, you are going to get access to this course. When you sign up for this product using the payment plan, you're going to get access to this course. So you can use the chaining feature so that you don't have to duplicate your content, right? You can use the chaining to give them access to the actual product. In the rules tab, right here under chaining, all you have to do is say that same rule for the chain product, select the second option, and say that when they get access to this product, I want to give them access to, and I'm going to select this product right here. You can do one more thing here. You can say, I don't want to send the welcome email from the chain product, because you don't want to send this email 2 times, right? So you can send the welcome email directly from the payment plan product, because you want to let them know about the payment plan that they signed up for. So don't have to send it again from the course product, right? Whatever you want to send, directly add it in this email. You can also set this to remove their access. So if there is a cancellation, and they don't make the full payment, you can remove their access to the core product that they got because of the payment plan, right? So, all right, so we have a payment plan product now in DApp. And so you can create as many payment plans as you want, right? So there's no limit. So you can say, I want to create another one, like 6 payments of whatever, or 10 payments of whatever. You can offer as many payment plans as you want on the checkout page. That's completely up to you. So, but the main thing is, like, anytime you want to offer a pricing option where you can sell the same product in different ways, then you have to create a dummy product for it. That's the main thing, right? So create a dummy product in DApp for that, and don't have to set up the actual content. Use the chaining feature to give them access to the actual content, and just use the dummy product so you can offer a payment plan for it. Because when you create the payment button in SPC, it's going to ask you, like, what is the product name to which this plan is connected. So that's why you need to create a product in DApp for it. All right. So let me show you in SPC how you can set up a payment plan option on your checkout page. So go to SPC. All right, so this is the backend of SPC. This is the buy buttons page. And first thing you have to do is create the main payment button for the main product, right? So here I already have this one, and this is for my online challenge, 7-day sales funnel challenge. This is the payment button. And currently I only offer a one-time payment, right? So I'm going to add a payment option now. And to do this, I'm going to edit my existing button. And you can do this with a new button or your existing button. The main thing is to create your main product, main buy button first for the product you want to sell, for a one-time fee. And then you can add payment options to it. You can add 1 or more payment options. You can add as many payment options, actually, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to edit this button. All right, so this is the main product, right? So currently I sell this for a one-time fee. If you edit the product details, you can see it says $97 one-time fee, right? So I want to add a payment option on the checkout page for the same product. So all you have to do is edit the button. So here under the payment plans, you can change this to, yes, I want to offer payment plans. That's the main thing, right? And there are a few ways you can do it. Like, you can create a payment button directly for this dummy product. You don't have to add it on the checkout. And you can create a completely different button for the main product and for this payment plan product, because it's a product, right? So you can create a payment button for it. And you can sell it directly on your sales page. You can add 2 different buttons on the sales page or in your pricing table, and you can say 1 payment and then 3 payments. You can add 2 different payment options directly on your sales page. That's one way to do it. That's how I do it. But a lot of people want to offer it on the checkout directly. And if you want to do that, then this is the way to do it, where you can update your current button for your main product, and you can just add a pricing option to sell your payment plan. All right. So step 4, payment plans. Yes, I want to offer payment plans now. And the first option is the default option. So this one is a one-time payment, and this is click and edit. You can change this text to whatever you want it to say. It's already connected to the right product. This is the main product, the core product, right? Which is one-time fee. So I'm going to say 1 payment of $97. And I want to add a payment option now. So click on add a pricing option. And it's going to say what product, right? So here is where you need to select your dummy product. So I'm going to select the product I just created in DAP. And you can enter the product header description. This is important because this is going to show up in the product header section towards the top of the checkout. And this way they will know when they switch to the payment plan, right? You don't want it to say one payment, right? Because you want it to switch to say 3 payments or whatever, or 5 payments or whatever, right? So these are the merge tags. Total payments will be replaced by the number of payments, which is going to be from DAP. In DAP, we have set this up as a 3 payments of $40, right? So it's going to say 3 payments off, and this merge tag will be replaced with the amount. So 3 payments of $40. And you can use any of these merge tags. This is under personalized. You can see all these merge tags are here. You can use whatever you want here and create your terms for the payment plan, right? You can add whatever you want here in this, whatever text you want to add, change, do whatever you want, right? And then that's it, all right? And order details is going to show up towards the bottom above the submit button. And that's it, right? Go ahead and add it. You can see here, it's a 7-day sales funnel. It's going to show the product name by default, but you can click edit and change this to whatever you want. It's already connected to the right product. This is just the text used for display purposes only, right, in the front end. So you can change this to whatever you want. So here I'm going to change this to 3 payments of like $40, right? That's what this one is. It's connected to the right payment plan product. So the first product is connected to the one-time challenge or the course I have created in DAP, my main product. Second option, I have connected it to my payment plan product I have created in DAP. That's just a dummy product, right? I'm using product chaining to give them access to this main product when they sign up through the payment plan. And the product header, you can see, make sure to enable it because this is where they will see the description change. So initially it's going to show, by default, it's going to show the core offer, right? The main product. So it's going to show the description of the main product. But when they switch, in the front end, when they switch to 3 payments, this payment plan option, right? If they switch to this one in the front end, is going to automatically change this section in the front end to show them the description that you added here, right? In the pop-up, right here, right? Whatever you add here, that's what is going to show in the front end when they switch to the payment plan because that's what you want, right? That's how this works. Let's go ahead and save it. And there is no other change. Everything else is the same way. All I'm doing now is added this payment option to the buy button I already have. Is that whatever text you see here, right? This is only going to be applied to the main product, the core product. And whatever shows in the payment header, for the payment plan, for the pricing options, it comes from the stuff that you enter in the pop-up, right? So whatever we have here for the main product, what you see here, it's coming from DAP description for this product. If you want to update it, you can update it directly here. Whatever you want to say here, you can update it here, and it's going to show up on the checkout. Whatever you update here will not be applied to the pricing plans. So if they switch the pricing plan, it's not going to show them this description because it's going to show them whatever you enter in the pop-up. That's all. That's it. So I'm not going to go over the rest of the steps, which is the same steps, right? Checkout page. Here is where you can connect it to the checkout page. Landing page is where you can let SPC know where they will be sent after the purchase is complete. You can connect it to an upsell funnel if you want. And one thing I skipped here is the coupon code, VAT invoice stuff. A lot of people ask us, like, how do I enable VAT stuff in SPC? In that case, all you have to do is like go to settings, and I'll do a different video on this one. Where you can go to settings EU VAT section and set up your enable VAT calculations there first. This is one time you have to do. Once you have enabled it, then VAT calculations will be enabled. And then if you want to configure something that shows up in the front end, then you can do that here for that button. For each button, you can update the text if you want. This is how this works. So let's go ahead and test this in the front end. So this is the buy button, right? So in the buy button step, you're going to get the payment link. And when users click on it, they are going to be sent to the checkout. So you can connect the main button that you have on your sales page to this link that you get from SPC. And when they click on it, let's go ahead and check what happens. All right, you can see this is the SPC checkout page. And I only had like one payment of $97 offer before, but now I have 2 options here. And this is the product header section. You can see it says $97, right? This is the one payment option. When they switch it to like the 3 payments option, you can see it switches to 3 payments of $40. And the image that it's going to show is the image that you have in DAP for this one, right? So currently I created this product in DApp. I didn't add any image in DApp for this product. That's why it's empty, but you can go to DApp and upload an image for your payment plan product, and it's going to switch the image as well, which I forgot to do. All right, that's how this works. And you can see here towards the bottom, it's going to switch this section, right? The details here, 7-day sales funnel. It shows the right product, 3 payment product, and it says 3 payments of $40. And again, this is the one that you can set up in the pop-up or shows in the bottom. You can configure that. And so they can switch between this and this on the checkout page directly. So you can do this using DApp and SPC. This is how this works. Now, one more thing I want to show you now is like with PayPal and Authorize.net, it's easy because they support limited payments. So what SPC does is like it's going to set up a recurring profile in the payment gateway, in the payment processor, and it will let them know, let PayPal know, let Authorize.net know that it's 3 payments. So payment will stop after 3 payments. We don't have to do anything special. But with Stripe, it works differently. Stripe does not support limited payments. So the way we make it work is like, we set up a subscription, unlimited subscription, but SPC knows that this should be a limited payment. So it will automatically initiate a cancellation request after the final payment. When Stripe lets SPC know, okay, here's a payment, SPC always checks, is this the final payment? If yes, it will automatically respond back to Stripe and say, cancel it, right? Cancel this. Don't charge this user going forward. That's how this works. And if you want to see, how the payment plan stuff is working and how many payments have been completed, you can go to SmartPay Card and you can go to Manage Subscriptions page. And here you can click on Manage Payment Plans and you will find all the details here, right? Max payments, actual number of payments. So it will tell you that, this is a user who made this purchase and has made 2 payments so far or 1 payment so far. And max payment is going to be 3 payments. So based on your DApp settings, it's going to set that up here. And when actual payments is the same as the max payment, right? So when they complete all the payments, then SPC is going to automatically initiate a cancellation request. And this one is only for like Stripe, right? This is not required for PayPal or Authorize.net because that's how it works by default. These payment processors support a payment plan, but Stripe does not do it by default, which is why we had to implement this strategy to get it to, accept payment plans. This is how this works. All you have to do is like create a product in DApp so that you can create payment buttons and offer that option on your checkout page. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Veena Prashant. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. I'll be back soon with more. Bye for now.